That dog is a breed of dog, and he always barking at Bima. They live in the next entrance hall, but usually we don't live together. But I know this woman, I know her son. They're really very nice people. But dog barking at Bima and Bima barking at their dogs, so it's better not to let them communicate because they're different size, and it will be hard to keep them side of each other because they can attack each other, and it will be very hard to make a peace. Bima, we will go there. Bima, go. Bima, no. Bima, Bima. Oh. Bima. I hope he won't die. I even don't see him. Nice. Bima! I don't hear anything. Куда побежал? Долбоёб. I don't know what was that, but I'm glad to see Bima alive. Leather. Okay, let's go to interesting place to go. Okay, at this place we went, but there was not much place to go, so we just looked at other dog who ran away, and after that Bima ran after that dog. So we decided to go in this location, which further there, so we'll go there. Let's go, Bima. Oh, someone pooped. Someone brushed hair. Huh. Letter for someone. Interesting. What it can be? I won't unlock it. Maybe it's something personal. But I'll take picture on the phone because it's interesting. Oh, look at this. It's very cute. I guess it's like 5 sorts of the mushroom. Okay, let's go, Bima. We went there many times. I hope it's the right path, because sometimes I'm really using the wrong one, but it's nothing scarce. We're walking. And there is a package. You know, it reminds me of a movie which named Cocaine Beer. Weird movie. Afterwards I started to really be afraid of bears. Oh. Bima already. Bima, you're lucky, so you're so small and you can walk everywhere that fast. Flexing. No mushrooms here. Surprised. Maybe other dog owners find something edible. Bima, send the dog. Bima! Need to distract him. I'm sorry. I've fallen down because it was painful. Bima! А он покажет, что он тоже большой.
Да.
Ой, господи.
Не подходите, не подходите.
А, подружиться?
Он еще раскинется, и мой будет уже ругаться всерьез.
Да, он такой спокойный сравнительно с моим. А я смотрю, его нет.
Не, мой тоже, мы тут сцепились вот с Расти.
Это белый или белый-черный?
Белый, ну, этот, ретривер.
Ага, да,
А он
видели.
какой-то обрезший, а он на него налетел. У него-
Вот это тоже, видимо,
Пойдем,
самозащиту
молодец,
включает.
молодец, хорошо, молодец, отлично. Иди сюда ко мне скорей. Иди.
Бима.
А вашему сколько лет?
6.
А, постарше Нэша, поэтому,
Ага.
поэтому Нэш молчит.
Воспитанный. Молодец наш.
Вот, ко мне.
Бима. Бима, зачем ты лаешь?
Разобрались, теперь может быть не буду. Да, Нэш, молодец, пошли.
Нэш,
Пошли гулять.
у него аж слюни летят. Бима, какой ты злой.
А с черным мы прям насмерть вообще.
Вот с черным мы не понюхались вроде, вот который черно-белый. Но я знаю, тут еще
Какой черный еще тут ходит?
какой-то другой, я не знаю. Ну вот похож.
Черно-белый, который, да,
Да, вот с ним они
гуляет.
с ним они играли, с дедушкой.
Играли?
Да. Он вообще как-то рандом.
Вообще просто жесть.
Да, просто есть какая-то другая черная собака, не вот прям здесь, но она тут тоже где-то гуляет. Вот они лаются. Бима. Нэш,
Пошли, Нэш. Ну что,
Дима.
что ли его?
Бима.
Нэш, пойдем, все, я ухожу.
Нэш,
Загоняй
иди сюда.
меня.
Какой хороший. Вот, все, Бима, сейчас я...
Ну, стоп.
Иди сюда, иди сюда.
Ты вот такой
Пиздюлей получил?
засранец.
Получил
Пошли,
пиздюлей?
молодец, пошли.
Извините.
Ничего, ничего, пошли, пошли.
Какой ты
Но
злой.
когда мы их оттаскиваем, это еще хуже.
Да, они еще сильнее разъяриваются.
Да, да. Поэтому
Дима, ты злодей какой.
Дима, особо с одним тоже неохота так-то, что.
А, что-то выпендривается мой. Ты зачем, Бима? Ты же видишь, собачка большая. Сбежал еще. Пойдем. Все, теперь идешь со мной like that. So for now, Bima walking with me like that because he was fighting with other dog. Now I don't trust Bima. Come here. Bima, look at you. You're a bad boy. I'm not proud of you. Пойдем. By the way, now I just realized maybe it's also a tomb of other dog, because there are also stones. Come here, Bima. Go ahead. I see 2 mushrooms. 3 and Bima. Oh, Bima, I'm stuck. Bima, you're stupid. You don't realize that you're a small dog. Everyone thinks that you're cute because your face is very cute. But you're trying to attack big dogs. Why? I know that you're big and powerful and can protect me, but I need to prove it, please, without needs. Oh. Oh. Where is the end? Bima? Ah, yes, for him it's faster. I'm sweating. I didn't expect it to be that sweaty, especially when Bima started to bark with other dog. And he looks so happy. Typical man. Fight and happy after. Bima, have you been fighting for me? Oh, I found mushrooms. And I'm stuck. Oh. 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 Dima, go ahead. You're going first. You're a man, right? Go first. Just I need to keep him in my view to control where he's going, because when he is behind I don't hear him. But I feel we came in the wrong place, because usually there are longer paths and there are beautiful view from something like cave. Maybe it's a bit here. Bima! Okay, not trust to Bima. There are very, very painful things. Okay, I was stressing with Bima way too much. Okay, how to go there? Oh. Can you imagine walking there with naked legs? Bima, can you imagine that? Oh, there is not that place. Oh. I feel I'm a bit getting crazy. Now probably there will be something, maybe it's grown down, because usually we're going just straight. Up there we walking not that often, maybe a few times per year, but there was a path. Maybe it's grown with trees and some bushes, I don't know. Maybe we just turned in the wrong place. Maybe it was illusion. It wasn't path. It wasn't path. It was a perfect illusion. Mima, where are all tortoises? Let's go there. I guess that is the place. We turned in the wrong place. Mima, you're a dog. You should remember smells of places where I want to take you.